Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get to the hard drive of an Optiplex 9010 Dell PC. The PC is kind of small, so I know at first it might scare you to actually go and do something like this on your own. If we take a look at the PC next to a regular Optiplex, see the difference. This is a regular Optiplex right here, and this is what we're working with today. And this Optiplex kind of just has a lever here, just like the regular Optiplexes do over here. And this one, you just pull it up, comes right off. There it is. Set this to the side. And to remove the hard drive, you'll see here, everything's pretty tight in here. You'll see here the CD drive case. And before you stick your hand in this general area, you want to ground yourself. If you're not wearing a ground, just kind of touch some metal. And then also, always remember to hit the power button to release any excess energy that the actual motherboard may be keeping. So let's get right to it. It's pretty simple. You'll see here the drive, and this drive, you can kind of just see this here. You want to just kind of lift it up, pull it, and then the drive just pops right off. You just kind of put this to the side here, and we start seeing here the hard drive. So it has a Seagate, and then to take out the hard drive, you'll see this section here. And what you want to do, so you want to get this little screw here in the wider side of the opening. You see they're locked and unlocked. So you want to kind of pull it this way, and then you want to pull it up. And the whole hard drive just pops out of place, and here it is. And once you do that, you kind of just switch it to this side, and you can just, this side here, you can just pull the hard drive out that easily. The hard drive pops out of this piece, as we all know, and you're done. And then you can just put everything back together, and to put it back together is the same way. You want to click how you heard there the hard drive, and then you want to sit the whole cradle into place. You want them to fall into those sections here, you see there and there. And then you want to drop it, and then down there you want to lock it again. And then finally the drive just once again slides right in. You want to hear a click. That's it. And we are done with our Optiplex. Thank you once again. And this instructional video was brought to you by Spirit Technologies. Thank you.